Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reply to an email in Gmail quickly and confidently, all right? So first, I want you to log into your Gmail on your computer or phone. In your inbox, click on that specific email you want to respond to, all right? For example, this. Once the email is open, click for the or look for the reply icon. It looks like a backward arrow, usually at the top right of the message over here. This one. Click on it. A text box will appear under the original message. All right. Type your response, making sure to address any questions or points from the sender. Use formatting like bold or bullet points if needed. And before sending, make sure to reread your message to catch any typos or mistakes. Then click send. All right. You can now click send over here at the bottom, and your reply will be delivered instantly. And that's it. You've just replied to an email in your Gmail account. Simple, quick, and essential for staying connected. I hope you found this video very helpful.